the birds, in cartoons, and the video games, right? Yes, guys. Today's video, we are gonna be we are gonna be looking at birds. So here is cartoon birds, good to evil. All right. Yeah. So these are the good birds. So now taking the gold medal for most good bird, though is the Tyler Blue Guntu son from Rio. Well, the blue for short. Okay, now this bird, yeah, is very dope. It's very cowardly, though, but though noble and very though sweet and kind-hearted. Now, like now in the movie Rio, the blue doesn't know how to fly yet. The which is kind of understandable. Until this nice the young girl adopts the blue. Though after being invaded by a whole bunch of mean spirited people. But still, that blue throughout Rio and the Rio too. Now he is though shown to fly now. And hey, and he though even don't beat the Nigel the once and for all. So hey, yeah, so at least though he's a good bird. Yeah, now next is the big bird from Sesame Street. Now here, though in this show, now Big Bird, he is though shown to be kind-hearted, though and very friendly, though which is now that's anything in the bird you would ask for, right? Yeah, so hey, at least he's not bad. Now, I would say though he's a good bird, though good bird. Now next is the Woodstock, though from the Peanuts the franchise. Alright, now then he is a very though loyal, though and though noble, though yellow bird. And heck, and even one time that he has stood up to his two best friends, Charlie Brown and Snoopy, against Lucy, bullying them. Yeah, so at least Lucy got her butt kicked, by Woodstock. Ha ha ha, Lucy. So that's what you get. Now you. I mean, so that's what you get, ugly girl. All right. Next is Stella Bird. From Angry Birds. Now she's also very kind-hearted and brave. And heck, and she even has her own franchise now. So hey, at least she's got that going for her. Yeah, but what the ranks her this low is due to her being a bit of a creepy, darker, to red. Now she's kind of similar to Princess Peach, though, and both Amy Rose. Yeah, but well, at least though she's a good bird. Who is though kind and very sweet and friendly, and she knows how to kick the pig's butt. Though and at her especially her arch enemy, though Dale. Alright, now moving to the penguins of the Madagascar, Skipper, Kowalski, Private, and Rico. Oh yes, I love the penguins of Madagascar. Now these penguins they know how to kick King Julian's butt whenever he's being a jerk, a complete jerk. And heck, though, and like her Gipper, her Kowalski, her Private, and Rico, they don't have any flaws. Yeah, they are just kind-hearted, the penguins, the two, the one and another. They are also very loyal to each other, and heck, and they know how to fight the crime. And heck, and they all treat each other with respect. Alright, now next is Birdie from the Sonic the Hedgehog. Now what ranks him a little lower is just that we only see him in a few Sonic the Hedgehog games. But hey, at least he's a good bird. So to Amy, he is loyal and kind to Amy, and that's the what she needs. And hey, though Amy and she even helped the Birdie. So hey, at least the Birdie is not bad. Now last is the Jewel Bird from the Rio. Oh yes, no, we are gonna talk about Blue's wife next. Now why is she ranked lower? Why? Yes, sure, she did redeem herself in the Rio too. But in the first movie, but in the Rio 1, Joe is just a complete jerk to Blue for no reason. I mean, seriously. He can't fly yet. In the first movie, he can't fly. It's not his own fault. Though Joe, she causes so many issues in the first movie. But still, you do gotta feel bad for her at times. Plus, though, she's a good mother to her children, nonetheless. Alright, so now stay tuned for part 2.